welcome to my channel. So, what are you guys up to these days? With all the household chores, children at home 24/7, what do they do the whole day long? I'll tell you what I am banking on. Colors, brushes, and more colors. There is painting happening in my house day in and day out. Outside the house, in the lawn, on the rooftop, inside the house, on the walls, like everywhere. So is it only me or is it everybody out here? I thought of giving one of my friends a quick call and asking them what their children are up to. Come, I will show you. What did they say? Hi, what's up?
Hi, I'm fine. You tell me.
What are you doing?
Nothing much, yaar. Just engaging a little with my kids.
What are they up to?
Oh, Inaya, today she's made earth. I'll just show it to you. See? She's enjoying coloring her mother earth.
So thankfully, I'm not the only one whose children are busy painting the whole day. But my one question to everybody, what if one day all the paints in the house gets finished? What are we going to do?
Don't even make me think about it. Can't imagine my life without paint. How will I engage the kids then?
Definitely not that. I don't have to worry at all. I have a brilliant solution which I'm going to share with everybody here today so that you don't have to worry too. So today I'm going to tell you a very easy way to make homemade paints. Here my daughter has taken a talcum powder, Fevicol, some water. That's it. So you mix the talcum powder with some Fevicol. Check the consistency, add some more if required. Add some water. And ta-da! Your white paint is ready. Now we are going to use this paint, this base, and add some more colors. Add turmeric to make yellow. I have used a blue color ball pen and blew out the ink out of it to make a very nice blue, and I have taken kumkum to make red. So these are our primary colors all set. Just mix and match and make some more. Here I have some green, orange, violet, and some lighter blue. Hey, we have made a black color as well. So for that I have taken some coal, crushed it, added in our white base, stir and ready. Super simple. Now let's test it. Looks good. My child really enjoyed painting with them because she's the one who's made it. It's such a simple and easy way to make these colors. Ask your child to make it with you. It will be a great activity to do together. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do subscribe to my channel. From a mother to another. Thank you. Bye bye.